Very good afternoon, guys. Okay, we'll solve that. We'll solve that. No problem. Okay, we'll discuss, guys. Whatever doubt we have, we'll discuss. No need to worry. Yes, guys. So today we have completed multi-row function. That is MRF is done, guys. So I gave a point. Guys, that MRF multi-row function is going to ignore all the null values. Yes, it is going to ignore, guys, null value. So let me, guys. So guys, just select start from EMP. First, let me fetch, guys, EMP table here. So you can see, guys, in commission column, guys, we have many null value. We have many null values. So whenever, guys, if we'll do normally in case of single row function, guys, or without using, guys, MRF, we will use, then we know whenever we are going to perform any operation with the null, the output will be null, guys. The output will remain same. But whenever, guys, we are going to make use of MRF, multi-row function, so if we have null value, then null value will be ignored, guys. So here I'm trying to fetch, guys, sum of commission. I want total commission, guys. So if you see, guys, for many records the commission is 0. For many records, guys, commission is 0. But for few records, guys, we have some commission as 300, 500 and 1400, guys. So here, guys, it will take, in this case, guys, it is ignoring the null value. Whatever commission we have, it has been summed. So you can see we are getting, guys, 1400 plus 500, 1900, 1900 plus 300, guys. We will get 2200. So yes, in the case of MRF, guys, multi-row function, null value, whenever we are going to add or we are going to get the average, guys, in that case, guys, null value will be ignored. Now let me try to do ABG. I'm not going to write sum. So see, we are getting how much, guys? 550. We are getting 550. But why we are getting 550, guys? Any guess? We are trying to fetch the average. I want to fetch average of the commission. So why we are getting, guys, 550? Just see and let me know, guys. Yes. 2200, guys, divided by how much? 4, no? So that's why we are getting 5. So can I say other records, guys, other records we had null value, it has been ignored? Yes, other value, guys, whatever we had null value, it has been ignored. Yes, guys, remember MRF multi-row function, guys, is going to ignore null value. So guys, whatever query I gave, yes, whatever query, guys, I gave, have it right? All of you guys have executed. Just for a second, guys, I'm going to stop sharing the screen. Just a second, guys. Yeah, so all of you have executed. Okay, in any query, guys, like you have doubt, in any query you have any doubt, guys? No, everyone, guys? No doubt? Okay, okay, guys, just a second. Okay, let's continue. Okay, fifth query you have done. Okay, guys. Except fifth query, you have solved other queries, guys. Everyone. Okay. So we'll see the fifth query. Where it is? Yes, guys. Can you tell me the fifth query? Yes, please let me know the fifth query, guys. What I gave. Any one of you? Because I hope I didn't save that. Okay. No, guys. Tell me the query. No. Write a query. Okay. Total num. Okay. Fifth query. Total salary needed to pay for the employee hired in the month of February. Right? Okay. So tell me, guys, what answer you will write. Yes, what you wrote, guys. If you have solved what you wrote. Yes. Yes, guys. So here you can make use of like operator. Yes, or you can make use of, guys, you can make use of to care. You can make use of to care also. Or you can make use of like operator, guys. So better, let me try with like operator, guys. Let me try with like operator. So total salary needed to pay for the employee hired in the month of February. So select sum of sal. Select sum of sal from EMP. Yes, from EMP. Yes, you can make use of extract also. Yes, from EMP where higher date higher date like higher date like percentile Feb percentile. You can make use of, yes, you can make use of, guys, underscore also. You can make use of this also. Even you can make use of extract also, guys. So to solve this query, we can have multiple ways. So where extract, so in extract, guys, yes, yes, even that is work. Yes, even that will work. Extract month. So what month? Feb, guys. So month from higher date. Month from, okay, from spelling is wrong here. From higher date is equals to 2, because we are going to pass, guys, month. We got same output. We got same output, guys. Can I make use of extract to char? Let me try that also, guys. To underscore char. Next, guys, I'll pass here higher date. From the higher date, guys, I want to extract what? Month. So I'll write month. MON, only 3 character, guys. Is equals to Feb. Is equals to Feb, guys. Let me try this. Yes. So in multiple ways, guys, multiple ways. See, the same query you can write by using like operator. Yes. Yes, it's like, yes, you can do it, no doubt, guys. You can make use of like operator, you can make use of extract, or you can make use of toChar, guys. So in SQL, guys, one query can be written in 10 ways also. One query, guys, can be written in multiple ways. In 10 different ways also, you can write the same query. Here, in case of like operator, you can make use of underscore also, not underscore, the underscore itself, guys. So guys, any other doubt? Whatever we have covered till today, guys, any other doubt? Is it clear, guys? Everyone? Everyone, guys? Okay, number of employees working in department number 20. Yes, guys. So I want the number of employees who are working in department number 20. So what query we can write? Very simple guys. Select count of star. If you want, you can write guys count of department number also. Count of department number. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Number of employee. Okay. Number of employee getting commission. Okay. So select count of the count of star or count of department number from EMP where they should get some commission guys in department number 20. So commission is not null. Some commission guys, so commission will be not null and they should work in department number 20 and department number is equals to 20 guys. Let me try this. See how many employees? 0 employee guys. Let me check. So this 300, 500 belongs to department number 30. 1400 belongs to department number 30. 0 belongs to department number 30 guys. So in department 20, none of the employee is getting any commission guys. Not getting, so none of the employee guys getting any commission. Yes. So instead of department number, here guys you can pass star also. You can pass column name or you can put or you can pass star. You can put star there. Okay. So if all the concepts are clear guys, we'll go for next very important topic guys, that is group by clause. We are done with order by clause. We are done with where clause. Yes. Select clause is also done. From clause is also done. So next, very important guys, for your interview or to write a query, we have something as group by clause. We have something as guys group by clause. So any guess guys, what is the use of group by clause? Yes guys, can anyone tell me what is the use of group by clause? Any one of you? Obtain same value group. Okay. Group the records. Yes guys. Okay. So guys, in group by clause, or we can say group by clause is used to group the record based on certain attribute or based on certain column. So group by clause is used to group the records based on certain attribute. Based on certain attribute. Yes, so in case of group by clause, if we want to group the table, it is used to group the records, or you can say guys, yeah, group the records, that's it, based on certain attribute, in the sense based on certain column guys. Now guys, next very important point, group by clause will execute row by row. Very good. Will execute guys row by, just going to execute row by row. Next, for group by clause we can pass column name as an argument. So for group by clause we can pass column name as, okay, pass column name as an argument. Even multiple columns can be passed as argument. So yes guys, for this group by clause we can pass multiple column also. Yes. Next guys, after, so first, once the group by clause will execute guys, we are going to get some groups. Since we know group by clause is used to divide the table, or is used to group the records based on certain attribute. So once the group by clause is once the group by clause will execute, we are going to get guys some groups. So after the execution of group by clause, yeah, we will we will get some groups. We will get guys some groups. So once group by clause is executed, we will get some groups guys. Any clause executed after group by clause. So guys, after group by clause, whichever clause is going to execute, now it will not execute row by row. After group by clause, if any clause we have and that clause is going to execute, it will execute guys now group by row. Yes. So any clause executed after group by clause, it will execute group by execute guys group by group. Now guys, one more very important point, this for group by clause where clause is not required. So for group by clause guys, where clause is not required, both are independent. Where clause is going to filter the records, whereas group by clause is going to divide guys the records into groups guys. So that's what we can pass group by clause clause without using where clause. So yes, without using where clause guys, even we can utilize group by clause. So now let us discuss guys, let us discuss syntax guys. So everything will remain same. So select star or column name or distinct, yeah, distinct, then group by expression, yes. So here select column name distinct group by expression, or guys here even you can perform aliasing, no doubt at all. Aliasing, if you want you can perform aliasing, and then we will have from clause. So from clause will be there, from, let's say from table name, next guys we can have where clause also. So where filter condition, where filter condition, where filter condition guys. Next after that we will have group by clause. After that guys we will have group by clause or group by expression. So group by, we can say here column name or expression. What type of expression guys? So group by expression. Next guys, at last we will have, if you have order by clause, in the sense if you want to sort in ascending or descending, you can make use of order by clause there. So group by column name comma expression. Let's say guys here expression itself we are going to pass. We'll see that later. Group by expression. Yes. So select from where group by order. So guys, which clause will execute first now? If I talk about order of execution, which clause will execute first? So always, no doubt at all, whatever condition, whatever groups, whatever we have, first always from clause. After from clause guys, yes, after from clause, where clause, where clause. So now this where clause will execute row by row, no doubt at all, guys. Row by row. Next, after where clause, group by clause. Group by clause. Even this group by clause will execute, guys, row by row itself. Even this will execute row by row. Now, guys, add yes. After group by, guys, which clause? Select clause. Very good. Select clause will execute. Now, this select clause will execute, guys, row by row or group by group. This select clause, guys, will execute group by group or row by row. Yes, anyone else? Yes. So it will execute, guys, group by group. As I told, whatever, guys, will be executed after group by clause, it will execute, guys, group by group. At last, we have order by clause. At last, we have order by clause. So what about order by clause, guys? So even it will be executed group by clause. Even it will be executed group by. So guys, this is all about your group by clause, all, then syntax, and then, guys, order of execution. Let us understand the same concept, guys, with the help of table now. Then you can copy down. We'll go for queries after this. So after this, guys, yeah, after this you can copy down. So first, guys, let me take a small example of a table. Let's say, guys, in this table I have 3 columns. Let's say, guys, I have 3 columns. Let me give table name as employee table, guys. Employee table. Yes, employee table contains 3 columns, guys. Let me add some row also here. Let me add some row here, guys. Yes. Next, guys. Next. Let me give, guys, column name here. Let me give column name. So let's say EMP ID, guys. EMP ID. Next ename. Next ename, guys. And next column we will have here is department. Next column, guys. Let's say we have here, guys, department. Let me insert some record here first. Let me insert, guys, some record till. Let me take name, guys, as Nagesh. Let's say Nagesh is working in department number 10. Employee ID is also 10, guys, and department number is also 10. Let's say we have second record. So employee ID is 20, and guys, department number, let's say 30. Let's say I have third record here. Employee ID is 40. Yes. The name is Naveen. And then, guys, let's say the department number is 10 itself. Let's say, guys, department number is 10. Then, guys, second, let's say the last record we are going to enter, employee ID is 50. Name is name, guys. We have something as, let's say, yeah, let's say, guys, Dinga. Let's say we have Dinga, and the employee ID is 20. So these are the records which is present, guys. These are the records which are present in this employee table. So for example, guys, for example, I have a query. Let's say, guys, I have a query here. I want to, yes, I have a query and I want to solve this. So write a query to display. Write a query to display number of employees working in department number 10. Let's say guys, I want to fetch the number of employees working in department number 10 guys. Yeah. So what query will write here guys? What is the query will write here? Yes. Now, yes guys, correct. Now I'll do a small modification here. I'll do a small modification. Write a query to display number of employees working in each department. Guys. So now whenever each term will come, whenever we have to divide or whenever we have to group records based on department number, like each department number, each job, each like something employee ID and so on guys. So the time you will see that each guys we have to go for guys group by clause. We have to go for group by clause. So can you tell me what query we need to write here? Write a query to display number of employees working in each department. So here what I need to do, I need to divide this table based on department number. Okay, you are getting some background noise. Now guys, is it okay? Harish, now is it okay? Okay. So now guys, yes. So here what I need to do, I need to group the records based on department. So what I do, I need to count the number of employees also guys. I need to count the number of employees also. So I'll write select count of star. Count of star. Next guys, from EMP, do I need to use here where clause guys? Do I need to use here where clause? No, because we are not going to filter any record. Now, if it was write a query to display number of employees working in each department except department number 30, in that case we'll go for where clause guys. But here, yes, but here no need to use where clause because we are not going to filter any records guys. That's what select count star from EMP group by department number. Group by department number guys. Now let's say guys, this query guys, in this query I'm going to do a small change, like in each department except department number, let's say except department number 20 guys, except department number 20. So here I need to filter guys department number 20. In the sense I want only department number 10 and 30. So where department number in 10 comma, yes, where department number guys you can say not equal to 20 guys. Yes, except department number 20. So where department number not equal to 20 guys. Yes, you can write this. Now let us understand the same concept guys with the help of table. So we know guys here first from clause will execute. Then after executing from clause, what this from clause is going to do, it is going to select the complete table. It is going to select guys complete table. So this from clause will execute and will select the complete table. After that guys, we have to remove department number 20. In the sense, except department number 20 guys, we need another, except department number 20, we need all other departments guys. So that we passed in where clause. So after this guys, where clause will execute. Yes, after this guys, where clause will execute. So now we know guys that where clause will execute row by row. where clause guys will execute row by row. So it is going to check each department number. It is going to check guys each department number. So it will check department number 10. So yes, we have to select department number 10. We have to select department number 30. We have to select guys department number 10 again, but we are not going to select guys department number 20. So this particular department number will be discarded. So once the where clause will execute, these three department number guys, these three records will be selected now. These three records will be selected. So this record guys here we are selecting with the help of, we have filtered guys these records with the help of where clause. With the help of where clause guys. So this work we can say this record has been filtered with the help of where clause. So let me write that also guys. So these records has been so where clause. So we got these records where clause. Let's say after where clause guys, after where clause, which clause will execute? Group by clause. After where clause, group by clause will execute guys. Now what this group by clause will do, it will divide the table or records based on department number guys. Yes, based on department number. So as you can see here we have only two departments. You can see guys we are going to select only two departments, that is department number 10 and department number 30 guys. So in first group guys, in first group we are going to get the department number, department number based, department number 10. So let's say here we will have employee ID as 20, name is Akash. Next guys we have here department number as 30. One more record. Okay, sorry, one second. I had mistake here. So here guys employee ID will be 10, the name will be Nagesh. And here guys department number will get 10. One more record guys, one more record will be there. So 40, and then yes, correct, Naveen, and then guys here again the department number will be 10 itself. Next guys we are going to get one more group. We are going to get guys one more group. We will get guys one more group now. So in that group, in that based on department number, we will have something as 20. Name will be Akash. Name will be Akash, and department number guys will be 30. So yes, we can say guys we have divided the table based on department number. So this is done once the group by clause guys has been executed. This subtable we got once the group by clause guys has been executed. So let's say group by clause. But what I need now, number of employees working in each department. So select count guys if asked in select clause. So after this group by clause, select clause will execute group by group guys. Now it is not going to check the particular record. It will not check guys one row by row. It will not execute row by row. It will execute group by group. So yes, once the select, yes, after the group by, if select clause will be executed, we will get guys that the in department number 10, we have 2 employees, and department number 30 we have 1 employee. Yes, so here in department number 10 guys, we are going to get count as 2. We will get guys count as 2. For this department number, 30 guys will get count as one. So is it clear for everyone? Clear guys, the flow of execution? If you have any doubt, please ask guys. Yes, I want answer from everyone guys. Is it clear for everyone? Clear guys? Okay. Okay, good guys. So please take down subheading as group by clause, copy down all these points and then the table guys. If you have doubt, please ping me or unmute and ask guys. Fine. If no doubt, copy down guys. Then we'll see the queries based on group by clause. Yes, do it fast. Copy down guys. So guys, whatever assignment I'm giving, you have to write and submit. If you won't submit, that's going to affect your ratings guys. So I gave already 2 assignments yesterday's and like after the topic function guys. So all of you need to submit. And you will have your first mock on Saturday guys, no doubt till having clause. Group by clause after that guys, I'm going to do one more topic that is having clause. So if you have doubt, please clear all your doubts at the now. Then only we can, okay, if you have submitted, good. Okay. Then only guys, we can push it for the interview. Yes. Dhanush, just submit as soon as possible. Today by the end or tomorrow. Okay, at last I'll share. Once you are done, let me know. Then guys, copy it. So can I change the screen, guys? Yes or no? You're not done, let me know. Okay, so guys, copy down this also. Copy down this also neatly in your notebook. The flow of execution and with the tables. So from clause is going to select the complete table, where clause is going to filter the records, group by clause is going to group guys records based on certain attributes. And select clause guys, whatever we are going to pass, it is going to fetch from the result table. So complete this also guys. Then we'll go for queries. If we are done guys, we'll solve some queries on this. So guys, copied on all the queries I'm going to share you now. Then we'll discuss one by one guys. Copied on all these queries. Yes. And after each query guys, leave 2 or 3 lines of space. Just leave 2 or 3 lines guys. We'll solve few of them. Few of other queries we have to try. Do it fast guys, copy it on this. Done. Have you copied all the queries? No. Okay, okay, copied. Okay, so we'll solve the queries now. So first query we have to solve here is write a query to display number of employees. Yes, very good. We have already solved. So whatever guys we have executed, whatever I explained here, I'll guys execute this first. And we'll see we are getting what. So select count of star. Okay, this only right. Yeah, count of star from EMP on EMP where department number not equal to 20 group by department. So here guys you can see we got the count as 613. Now let us go guys, we'll see the first query. So write a query to display number of employees working in each department except president. So yes, I know most of you have solved this query. So select star from EMP. Yes, guys, correct. Okay, okay, sorry. Count of star. Count of stars. Where job not equal to president group by department number. Correct. So this is the query we have to. So yes, you can see guys, except job, president. So you can see total column we have 15. So if I leave 15 guys, we should get 14 guys. So 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. In your case, you will get 13 guys. But since I have added one more record, yes, correct. So since I have added guys department number 40 here, so I'm getting one extra record. Yes. Now let's go for next query. We'll solve it fast. Go for next query, guys. Okay, don't go for that. Just a second. Yeah, this one, guys. Go for fifth query. Okay, if you have solved, guys, well and good. Go for fifth query now. It's quite similar, guys. first and second. So go for fifth query. Good. Select. So I want, guys, I want number of employees having character A in their e-name in each job, guys. So let's say I'll write select count of star because we need, guys, count. Now from EMP. Now I need to filter, guys, the I want to, or I need to filter the records which contains A in their ed. So yes, we have to make use of where clause. So where ename like, where ename like, and we are going to pass, guys. So they have not specified at which position we have to check character A. So we'll surround in percentile symbol. At last, group by clause, group by job, because they are asking in each job, not in each department number, guys. Let me. So yes, guys, you are going to get it. So just from MP, yes, 322, correct. So now just check, guys. In department number 30, we have Alan. We have Alan, guys. In department number 30, again we have something as Blake. In department number 30, guys, we have something as James. So these are the three employees. Remaining 14 and 20, guys, we have two employees. Yes, correct. So go for, guys, this eighth query. Okay, seventh first. Seventh first, guys. Write a query to display total salary needed to pay and number of salesmen in each job. Okay, try, no problem. Okay, you will try by yourself, guys. Okay, no problem. But just try by yourself once. If you are not able to do, we'll solve it tomorrow, guys. Fine. So remaining all the queries, try by yourself. Yeah, try by yourself, guys. So next, yeah, okay, Naveen, fine. Okay, Akash, try once. We'll solve if you have doubt, guys. Share the doubts tomorrow, next class. So next, guys, we have one more clause. I hope all of you had copied all the queries. So guys, next clause we have something as having clause. So next clause we have to discuss here is having clause. So can anyone tell me what is the use of having clause, guys? Can anyone tell me what is the use of having clause? Yes, very good. It is used to filter the groups. So where clause we are going to use to filter the records. Now guys, once the group by clause is executed, so you can see here we got the groups. Yes, it is similar to where clause, but where clause is going to filter the records, whereas having clause is going to filter the groups, guys. Yes, Nagesh, you are right. Yes. So now it's correct. Yeah. So now, guys, I have two groups. Here you can see I have two groups I got based on department number. That is group 1 we have department 10, group 2 we have department 30. Now further, if you want to fetch, guys, yes, further if you want to filter the groups, we will go for having clause, guys. So they'll say write a query to display number of employees working in each department except department number 20, and each department each department should have at least two employees, at least two employees, guys. So now again I need to filter the groups. So I need to check whether in the group we have two records or two employees or not. So what we can do, we will go for having clause, guys. We will go for having clause. So we will write here having. So for this same query, guys, we can write here having what we can write, guys. So we are going to pass here count, having count of, let's say, star itself, count of star at least 2, guys, so equal to 2, at least 2, guys, so equal to 2. So further, guys, whatever query we have discussed, like based on group by, if you want to filter the groups again, then we have to go for having clause. So they have added, guys, they have added one more statement here. Each department should have at least 2 employees. So again, guys, we need to check whether the groups contain 2 employees or not. So guys, you can see in department 10, guys, we have 2 employees. So this department, guys, it will be selected. This department, guys, it will be selected, and this department won't be selected. Clear? What is the use of having clause, guys? I'll give points, execution, syntax, like flow of execution, and guys, syntax also. But with the help of query, guys, is it clear for everyone? So I'll give example. I'll give more example, guys. We'll discuss 5 to 10 queries here. No need to worry. So further, guys, if we want to filter the groups, we will go for having clause, guys. We will go for having clause. So now let us, so here, guys, we are going to get only department number 10 will be selected. So this will be done by using having clause. This can be done, guys, by using having clause. So again, it is going to filter the groups. So now let me give, guys, let us understand the having clause with the help of points, guys. We'll see with the help of query. Now I'll give up points. So copy down, guys, but not now. I'll give the info. Yeah. So what is the use of having clause? So having clause is used to filter the groups. It's used to filter the groups, guys. This means having clause. This means having clause executes after group by. This means having clause executes after group by clause. Next, since having clause executes after group by full stop. So having clause will be executed group by group. Now guys, this having clause will be executed group by group. Next, yes. Next, guys, we can or it will accept multi-row function. So in case of having clause, guys, we can pass multi-row function as an argument. So if you talk about where clause, we can't pass multi-row function, guys. But having clause, we can pass here multi-row function, guys. Next, in having clause, we can pass the expression used in group by. So whatever expression, guys, we have passed in group by clause, even same column or expression, guys, you can pass in having clause. Next point, guys, for this having, we can pass multiple argument. So multiple argument can be passed. multiple argument guys can be passed. So this is all about guys your group by. So let me give a syntax. Let me give a syntax guys, and we'll see the flow of execution or order of execution. So I just do copy paste guys. I just do copy paste here. One second. Yes guys. So first we have select clause, from clause, where, group by. Yes guys. Now tell me where I should write having clause in this case. So we have to write guys having clause just after group by clause. So having group by filter condition. Having group by having group by filter condition. So yes, we are going to write here. So guys, as I told, this having clause will execute just after guys. Yes, before order by clause. Yes guys. So now this having clause guys will execute just after guys group by clause. So let's say after having clause, select clause will execute, and after select clause guys, at last order by clause will execute. So can you tell me this having clause will be executed row by row or column by column, sorry, row by row or group by group guys? Yes, it will executed guys group by group. As I told, whatever guys whatever is going to execute after group by, it will execute guys group by group. Clear for everyone? Will solve the queries, no need to worry. So theoretically guys, and with the help of this table, are you clear guys what is the use of having clause and what we are going to do? Everyone guys, no doubt. I got answer from only 2 members guys. Others, no doubt guys. Okay, cool. Then take down subheading as, yes, take down subheading as having clause guys. Copy down, then we'll go for queries based on having clause. Yes guys, so please copy down this first. If you have doubt, ping in chat box or unmute and ask guys. If you have doubt, otherwise copy down. answer like nearly 10 days. 10 days I need more to complete this SQL. As I told, like 25, 20 to 25 class. I hope today like 10 to 12 classes done. So more 10 days we are going to spend here. How many classes are done, guys? Remember, let me know guys how many classes of SQL are done. 10, 10 or 12 class, right? Or more than that, guys? So more guys, 8 to 10 class I'm going to take. So after this, we'll see subqueries, joins, normalization. Yes, 8 days guys, roughly. And advanced concept guys, we discuss once you are done with more. Like I told exception, SQL injection, basics of NoSQL, MongoDB. After your more, only I'm going to. So once you're done guys, if you have copied, let me know. Guys, you will get background noise because I'm not in home on ground space. So many classes are going on and some like construction office going on. So copied everyone? Fine. So guys, if you want, mark this also somewhere in your last table itself. Mark guys this also in your last table. Like what is the work of group? Just mark guys. Take 1 minute time and mark it first. Okay, one second. Yeah, mark guys is having clause use in your notebook guys, so that later it should not, yeah, it should not be confusion for you. Done. So we'll go for queries now. We'll go for queries. So first query guys, first query. Let me. So first query, write a query to display e-name and salary of employees. Okay, just a second guys. Write a query display details of employee in if in same department, if in same department at least 3 employees are working. So let's say at least 2 employees are working. So guys, they can twist and turn, they can ask like that. Write a query to display details of employee if in if in if in the department at least 2 employees are working. At least 2 employees are working. So what we can write here? To group the department number, we are going to get group the department number guys based on, yeah, we are going to group the record, sorry, based on department number, and we will use having clause guys. So what we can write, All of you try guys and let me know. Fine guys, we'll solve this one and we'll see if we are getting output or not. So this is the query. Write a query display details of employee if in the department at least 2 employees are working guys. Will it work guys? Fine. So select star from EMP, star from EMP. Yes, group by department number having count of star at least 2, so it can be more than 2 also, so greater than equal to 2. But if I do like this guys, I'm going to get an error. I'm going to get an error guys. I can't write like this guys. Whenever guys we are going to filter, since select clause also we have to pass guys mrf, multi-row function. We can't pass the normal column name guys. So can I try like this? We'll see. I'll pass count of star. Let me try now guys. We are getting 653. But can I use like this guys? Comma emp dot star. Let me try. No. So remember guys, we can't do like this. Can I write now? Can I write here something as emp number? Okay, let's say I'll ename comma salary. No, it is not possible. So it's not happening at all. So can I print here department number? Can I print here department number? Yes, we can print the department number. So remember, whatever we passed in group by, if we are not making use of MRF, whatever we have guys in group by, and if we are not using MRF in select clause, compiler will throw an error. Compiler guys will throw an error. Now, yes, so here we are grouping based on department number. So we can pass department number guys, but we can't pass here some other column. We can't pass guys some other column. So if I pass here group by job, so yes, we can pass like this. Can we pass like this guys? Okay, group by job and I have passed salary. Okay, so let's say group by salary. Group by salary. So yes, we can do it. Remember this point. Whenever guys we are passing any common column in the sense if we are passing column name, and if the same column guys is present in group by, then we can use the column name without using MRF. But without using MRF guys, it's not possible. So fine, this is the query guys. We have to write. You can print the department number, but all the details are not possible. All the details are not possible. So can I do like this? Just a second. Okay. 1 second, guys. You got everyone? Or any confusion, guys? Here, we'll solve queries. Don't worry. But whatever I told, guys, all of you got the points. So if you want to fetch, guys, can pass like this emp.star. Emp.star. I don't know exactly. Let me check this one. No, it's not possible. We can't group So fine guys, that's it. We'll discuss in next queries. So this is the query guys we have to write. This is the query guys we have to write. Yes. So if you have any doubt guys, any confusion, please clear your doubts guys. And let me go for guys next few sets of queries. We'll solve few more queries here so that you will get a clear picture guys. What is the use of group by and having? Okay. If you have doubt, let me know. Otherwise guys, tell me query for the first query. Sorry, answer for the first query. Yes, write a query to display at least 3 employees working in each department except president guys. So we wrote guys last query by using group by. Here just we have to make use of having clause. So can you tell me guys what we have to write? See. Yes. Okay. See guys. Select count of star from EMP where I need to filter guys. Yes. But I don't want president. So where job, yes, where job not equal to president is. Where job not equal to president, group by what guys? Department number. Yes, good. Next, having count star, at least 3 employees, so it can be greater also, so greater than equal to 3 guys. So yes, this is the query we have to write. Let me check. Yes, we got. So if you want to print in which department we have this number of employees, so since we have passed as department number in group by clause, so even you can print here department number is. So yes, in department number 30 we have 6 employees, in department number 20 we have 5 employees. Clear? Okay, if it's clear guys, go for the fifth query. Then remaining guys, we have to try as an assignment. Try, yeah, go for fifth query guys. I'll give time to copy remaining queries, don't worry, or just you can take a pic, you can, or something like that guys. But first solve the fifth query guys. Write a query to fetch number of employees having character S in their e-name in each job if count of employees is equal to 2. That's what I told guys. Like operator is very important. Like operator guys, it's very important. So give a special here. So guys, first solve the fifth query and let me know guys answer. One second. Yes guys, go for fifth query. Good guys, good. Yes. So select count of star, or you can pass guys count of ename also. Count of star or count of ename also guys from EMP where ename having, okay, yes, okay, ename like. So again guys, they have not specified any position, so we have to use percentile character percentile, then group by. Yes guys, so read carefully, in their ename in each job, so group by job. Yes, group by job having count of, having count star is equal to 2, so equal to 2 is count of star, they are asking exactly 2, exactly 2 guys, so count of star is equals to 2. Now let me check we are getting the right output or not. No role selected, no role selected guys. So let me check with the table. Yes guys, what output you people got? Have executed any one of you? Yes guys, no role selected. Yes, so now guys, let me change the character, we'll see. Let me change the character guys, and we'll see instead of, yes guys, we'll pass here, you got two, okay, let me pass A guys. No, so here we are getting 2. So let me check. Let me check, guys. Okay, so what I'll do, I let me check which department number also. So I'll write department number. Okay, okay, okay. So we didn't have passed actually in group by, so I can pass a job. Guys. So we have two clerk, two manager. Yes. Akash, for S character, you got two employees. I guess no. S character guys, we have department number 20. Okay. Next guys, okay, so how many employees we have? By name S. We have Smith, Scott. Smith and Scott guys, only two employees. But see, they belongs to which department? Yes, 20, right? But we didn't get why. Okay, yes, 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 guys, correct. Yes, guys. So copy down this guys, whatever we have done. So for this, you are going to get no role select. So remaining all the queries guys, take as an assignment. Okay. So what do you want me to do? Greater than 2? Yes, for greater than 2 we'll get, obviously. For count greater than 2 we will get. But for this we are not getting this. So leave whatever we have done, it's correct. According to our query, we got the right output. Yes, any question guys? Any doubt? Okay. So please copy down all the remaining queries. Why madam assignment in group? You can't copy down. Okay guys, so I'll share in the group later. Fine. I'll share this document in the group guys. Only these queries. Yeah. So guys, whatever we discussed today, no doubt, I hope, no doubt. So you have to send me assignment on my mail ID, guys. Instead of sending on WhatsApp, you can send me on my mail ID, guys. Yes. So I'll share this document, guys, in group. So today itself, guys, you have to share me because only 9 queries, guys. Out of 9, we have solved 2. So only 7 queries we have to solve and share, guys. So solve and share this assignment on my mail ID. If you have doubt, guys, will I'll clear your doubts, guys, tomorrow. So this is all about your functions. So even, guys, this group by or having clause is related to MRF. Is related to MRF, guys. So we have completed function. So in next class, guys, in next class we will see first. We will see, guys, first what is constraint. Constraint is not done, right? Primary key, foreign key, and all, guys. No, what's done, guys? Constraint. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, few of you are telling no. Yes. Okay. So from yeah, as I remember, constraint is not done. So first we'll see constraint, guys. Then we'll go for subquery. Then we'll go for subquery. So complete the assignment. Share, guys. We'll stop itself. Tomorrow we'll start the fresh topic, that is subquery. So in subquery, guys, again we are going to spend nearly 2 to 3 class. We have many types of subquery, and this topic, guys, is very important. All the upcoming topics, guys, are important, and for interview also, guys, you have to practice a lot. So whatever topic, guys, we are going to do now onwards, please give a special care. Either it is a subquery, pseudo column, or it is normalization, joins, and so on, guys. So you have to give special care. So fine, guys, let's talk itself. Thank you, everyone. We'll continue tomorrow, guys. If you have doubt, go through. You can ask in next class, days, that is tomorrow. Any website, actually there's no website you can make use of W3 school, but you will not get, guys. I'll share, guys, nearly 200 queries like collection I have. At last I'll share. So if you'll solve that 200 queries, that is more than enough, guys. Yes, just like same pattern, guys, similar queries you are going to get, whatever we are doing here. So fine, do all the queries, share me on my mail ID. We'll do it tomorrow, guys. We'll continue tomorrow. Fine, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.